Sopti, thank you so much for speaking with the CSR Journal. It's a great initiative that you have taken with Go Sports. I'd like to know from you, on a larger perspective, how other organizations can be involved further and what is the role the media can play and the individual effort that each one of us needs to make. Besides just cutting a check, what else can we do?
Yeah, I think individual organizations must follow a, a theme of commitment. And if you are saying that this is a CSR obligation, then you have a different sort of commitment. If you are saying that this is really something that is close to my heart, right, then I would see the benefits of it flowing to a certain section of society,
Okay.
right, and I will see the end users benefiting from it.
Okay.
That's a different commitment. So it depends on your approach. One approach is to cut a check, right? And then you sit tight saying, I fulfill my obligation.
Correct.
That's a mandatory obligation fulfillment. The other is to see that I want to see implementation on the ground. So today you saw that when we launched the para athletes sponsorship program, it was not about cutting a check. The assurance that we gave them today
Long-term
is that
commitment.
long-term commitment. That's a big assurance to them.
Okay.
Because they will see they are flight-by-night operators.
Absolutely.
1 year they come in, get some photographs done, and then they move on. That's not the way we would approach this thing. So I think corporates need to find their own ways of fulfilling CSR.
Okay.
And my own belief is that CSR is a wonderful opportunity
Okay.
to really make a difference.
Okay. So for the ones who are fly by night and they just cut a check and leave it, do you think we need a monitoring body in place to see how things are working, a supervising body legally from the government?
I don't think this works through regulatory supervision and things like that. You know, the CSR obligations are just that, obligations,
Okay.
right?
Okay.
And you're supposed to disclose whether you fulfilled the obligation or not.
Absolutely.
To that extent, there is not a penal sort of a situation.
Correct.
You understand?
Correct.
So I don't think it works through penalties. It really works through self-motivation. And I think the leadership of the corporate world, they'll create this sort of ability to make a difference by actually applying the money more forcefully, in a more determined fashion, and making sure that execution happens.
And the individuals who make up a corporate are the ones who can actually make a difference at the end of the day.
It's always individuals.
Okay.
You know, it's not an institutional sort of a situation. One person says something,
Yes.
others echo. And I mean, the institution that picks up those echoes makes a difference.
So it's always a pleasure to speak with you. Thank you so much for talking
My
to the CSR Journal.
Thank you.